Let's look at question number 1 from section 5.4 on page 133. The question asks, the ages of members of a seniors lawn bowling club are normally distributed. The mean is 65 years and the standard deviation is 3 years. What percent of the bowlers is in each of the following age groups? Between 59 and 65 years old, and then between 68 and 74. First off, from the question, we know the mean is 65, so that's right in the middle. So let's put a 65 right in the middle here. The standard deviation is 3. So I'm just make a little note here at the side that the standard deviation is 3. Part A asks us what percent is between 59 and 65. So let's put in 59 somewhere to the left of 65. We know what's to the left because it's lower than 65. Our right bound is 65, so let's make a line right at the mean. And we'll shade the area that we're looking for, between 59 and 65. Using our calculators, we can determine this area using the normal CDF function. So we will take normal CDF of the left bound, so in our case that would be 59, comma the right bound, in our case 65, comma the mean, which is also 65, comma the standard deviation, which is 3. So on our calculators, we can get to the normal CDF by going second distribution, number 2. Then we're going to type in our left bound, so 59, comma, our right bound, which is 65, comma the mean, which is also 65, comma the standard deviation, which is 3. So that gives us 0.4772 and so on. To make it a percent, we can multiply that by 100 and we'll get approximately 47.72%. Then let's take a look at part B. Part B asks us for the percent of the bowlers between 68 and 74. So 68 is somewhere to the right of our mean, so we'll draw it over here. 74 is even farther to the right, so somewhere over here we'll put 74. So again, we'll shade the area that we're looking for. Again, we can use our normal CDF feature. So we'll take normal CDF of our left bound, which is now 68, comma the right bound, which is 74, comma the mean, which is still 65, and the standard deviation, which is still 3. So if we plug that in again, so second distribution, number 2, then we'll plug in our left bound of 68, comma our right bound of 74, comma our mean of 65, comma our standard deviation of 3, enter, and we get approximately 0.1573. Again, to make it a percent, we would multiply that by 100, and we would get approximately 15.73%.